Hi friends, I am back with my Zodiac series. Topic of our today's video is Libra and graphology. In today's video, we will be seeing the strengths and weakness of Libra and also checking on how can we reduce or nullify the effects of weakness with graphology. Please note that not necessarily every Libra may or may not possess some or any traits that I will discuss in this video. These traits are just in general traits. Before I start with strengths of Libra, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you do not miss out on any of my new videos. Let's first see strengths of a Libra. Libras are balanced, loyal, logical, diplomatic, social and romantic. Now weakness of Libras. Libras could be a bit slow in decision as they want to weigh all the pros and cons properly before making any decision. Now let's see how the slow decision making can be analyzed in graphology. If a writer writes both the humps and M and N is rounded, then the writer takes lots of time in thinking and analyzing, resulting in slow decision making. If you want to make decisions quick, make the humps of M and N pointed from the top. Here is the example of rounded M and N and pointed M and N. At times Libras cannot reach any decision in spite of thinking for a long time because they are able to see both the sides of any situation. This results in indecisiveness. Indecisiveness can be recognized in handwriting by pen flicks. To convert indecisiveness to decisiveness, practice writing pen stops in handwriting till it becomes your natural way of writing.
If you are new to the term pen flicks and pen stop, do check my video on same, link of which I have given in description box. At times Libras are fickle-minded too. They cannot stick to one activity for a longer period of time. To eliminate this trait, one should have strong determination that I am going to stick to one activity till it finishes. To check the traits of determination, check the description box. I have added link to my video of determination in description box. Last weakness of Libra is their people pleasers. They want all the people around them to like them, means Libras need external validation. And when would someone need an external validation? When someone either lacks confidence in self or has low self-esteem. To know about traits of low self-esteem or lack of confidence, do check my video on self-confidence and self-esteem. I have added the link of my video for the same in description box. Do like, share and comment on my videos if you like to watch my videos, and for detailed analysis contact avaniparekh1985@gmail.com.